Today we're checking out KLING 3.0 specifically for product ads. We're gonna take a look at all the new features and I'm gonna show you how I made this product commercial just using one prompt. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Thomas and I make videos about product photography and AI. Now I know I'm a few days late on this, but KLING 3.0 just dropped and it has the internet going absolutely crazy, but for good reason. KLING 3.0 is a big upgrade from KLING 2.6. Adding the capabilities of generating multiple shots in one sequence, improved audio and dialogue directly in model. Consistent characters and objects in your generations, and improved text accuracy in 15-second long generations. Now that all sounds amazing on paper, but let's jump in and test it for real. Thank you to Higgsfield for giving me access to KLING 3.0 and sponsoring this video, and if you want to check it out for yourself, there's a link in the description below. To use KLING 3.0, you click on the video tab and under the model drop-down menu, you can choose KLING 3.0 as the model. So when we have chosen KLING 3.0, you can see that we have the option to add a start frame and end frame, but the biggest new feature, in my opinion, is the Multishot feature in combination with the elements feature. So here you're able to add either a character or an object as an element that you can refer to in your video generations, and if you use it in combination with the multishot, you can get a consistent story with either consistent characters or objects in all the shots on the way. Just as a quick example, I took 3 images of myself with my iPhone and this Pepsi can and generated those as elements and generated this sequence with one prompt. Now it's not perfect by any means, but I think it's very impressive how well it kept the character consistency and also the object consistency, considering this was just a super extreme example with the prompt being me skydiving out of a plane and having the product in my hand. I just wanted to see if the model can handle all these different elements, and I have to say it handled it pretty well considering all the different things that were happening in the scene. And I actually used the multishot feature in combination with the elements feature for the Nike shoe commercial you saw in the intro. So I created the Nike shoe as an element by uploading a couple of reference images, and then I could refer to it in each section of the multishot prompt. And I used ChatGPT to create this multi-structured prompt, and I used this prompt structure which was created by Jack vs AI. So if you don't know who he is, definitely check his channel out. He's a real expert when it comes to AI ads and visual effects, so definitely subscribe to him as well. When you get the multishot prompt, all you have to do is copy and paste it into the different shots and then just refer to your product or character that you want to use in that specific shot. And when I did that for the Nike shoe, we got something that looks like this. And I have to say, at this point, I was very impressed with the quality coming out of KLING 3.0. Usually, if you use AI video tools at all, you know that quite quickly there becomes this morphing thing or just something doesn't really look right. And I have to say, I didn't expect much from the multishot feature, but when I saw that second shot of the macro of the tentacle going on the shoe itself, that was very impressive. And just the overall video quality of KLING 3.0 is definitely a step forward comparing it to older models. And usually when generating AI videos, the input image gets this weird, more contrasty or sharpened look. But I have to say, the way KLING 3.0 treats input images and handles the quality is truly next level. I also wanted to test how it handles more complicated text labels and if the text will start warping by just adding some small animations to the objects. And to my surprise, it handled these, of course, simple animations of the objects pretty well with no major text warping. So I'm definitely gonna dive deeper into this in a future video and how to animate it for more complex text animations as well. What's also interesting is that you can get your characters to talk and have some real emotion and expression in the dialogue itself.
I mean, this is just amazing that I can talk now. Remember to subscribe.
And in this video, we're of course only scratching the surface. I'm definitely gonna dive deeper into this and learn how to use it in the best way for product ads. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe. And if you wanna check out KLING 3.0 for yourself, the link is down in the description below. Overall, I think this is definitely a big upgrade for AI videos, and now a whole new world of possibilities will be opened when people learn how to use this tool in the best way possible. But that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.